Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid lines for drawing. Grid lines are a fantastic tool for artists of all levels, helping you achieve accurate proportions and placement. They work by breaking down a complex image into smaller, more manageable squares. This method simplifies the drawing process significantly, allowing you to focus on one small section at a time. It's a reliable way to ensure your final artwork closely matches your reference. First, measure your reference image and decide on a consistent grid size, perhaps 1 inch by 1 inch squares. Then, draw a corresponding grid onto your drawing paper, making sure the ratio between the reference grid and your drawing grid is consistent. For example, if your reference is 5 by 7 inches and you want to double its size, your drawing grid would be 10 by 14 inches. Use a light pencil so the lines are easy to erase later. Now begin drawing by focusing on one square at a time. Look closely at the lines, shapes, and negative space within a single square on your reference image. Then, transfer only what you see in that square to the corresponding square on your drawing paper. This method helps prevent overwhelming feelings and ensures precise placement of each element. Work systematically across your grid, square by square, until the entire outline is complete. Once your entire drawing outline is complete and you are satisfied with the proportions, it's time to gently erase all the grid lines. Take your time with this step to avoid smudging your artwork. After the grid is gone, you can begin adding all the intricate details, shading, and textures that will truly bring your drawing to life. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different subjects. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.